So what you can also easily do inside of Notion is go ahead and add in a Google Maps block as well. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the page and type in slash and then go ahead and type in Google Maps right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that and choose Google Maps, you can go ahead and let's say, for example, embed a Google Map. So to do that, if I were to go around onto Google Map right here, I can go ahead and copy this Google Map address, paste it out right here and embed out the map right here, just like this. Once you go ahead and do that, depending on the location of the address right here that you have on the address bar, you can see that Google Map is here and it is interactive. You can also go ahead and click and drag out the map as you like right here, just like this. And this is what you have. As you can see, you can go ahead and then use Control and scroll to zoom in everything right here, just like this as well. So that is how you can go ahead and add in an embedded Google Map block inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.